Alright, we got a Boeing 777-337ER, Air India, arriving in from Delhi, New Delhi, India. See, we got here and Air India flew here because the Air India did a go around while we were driving here. That's a beautiful plane. Alright, we got a Boeing 777-F1B China Southern Cargo arriving in from Anchorage. To OHare. Gonna be a butter landing? It was okay. There's so many killdeers over here. It's a kind of bird. Alright, that is a Boeing 777-381ER or 300ER. All Nippon Airways arriving in from Tokyo, Haneda, Japan. There's China Cargo, China Southern Cargo. That was beautiful. That was a beautiful plane anyway. Alright, we got a Boeing 787-8 Dreamliner, Ethiopian Airlines, arriving in from Rome, Italy. And it was supposed to arrive in from Addis Ababa. But here it is. Oof. That was hard. That was a firm landing. That is a Boeing 747-8B5F Korean Air Cargo arriving in from Anchorage, Ted Stevens. That was a kind of firm landing. I'm recording. That is a Mitsubishi CRJ-200LR Contour Aviation from I don't know where. I have to check flight radar where. That looked like a firm landing. The Contour Aviation was arriving in from Kirksville, Missouri, and here's the 747 Korean Air Cargo. We got a Boeing 737-823 American Airlines arriving in from Dallas, Fort Worth. That was a butter landing, wasn't it? Because in my opinion, it was butter. It was a butter landing in my opinion. Alright, we've got an E145 or an ERJ-145LR Contour Aviation arriving in from Owensboro. I have to check what states Owensboro is, because I forgot. Technically. Contour Aviation. It's hard to see the landing because of how small the plane is. Touchdown already. Okay, I couldn't tell what landing that was. Thank you for touching down already. Alright, that is an Embraer E175LR American Eagle arriving in from Jacksonville, Florida. Standard landing. Still good though. At least the tires didn't explode. We got another Contour Aviation. So many Contour Aviations today. It's not normal. Okay, that is a Boeing 737-823 American Airlines driving in from Nashville, Tennessee. Music City, Tennessee, Nashville. Touchdown. The Taylor Swift City. Music City, Nashville. My eyes are actually starting to hurt. That is an American Airlines Airbus A319 dash, I forgot dash something. But it's arriving in from Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. Airbus A319 arriving in from Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania with American Airlines. Alright, we got an Embraer E175LR arriving in from Cleveland Hopkins, American Eagle. I forgot almost. Arriving in from Cleveland Hopkins International Airport. Touchdown. Yes. That was okay of a touchdown. That is an Embraer E175LR American Eagle arriving in from Greensboro, North Carolina. American Eagle. Touchdown. That was butter. That was a butter landing. Alright, that is a Boeing 777-346ER Japan Airlines arriving in from Tokyo, Haneda. Touchdown already. Oh, that was kind of a firm landing. Nice. Alright, we got a Boeing 747-45EF Apex Logistics operated by Atlas Air arriving in from Anchorage, Ted Stevens. got a Boeing 747-446 BCF Kalita Air cargo, Kalita Air, arriving in from Anchorage, Ted Stevens. Or maybe just Kalita Air. Okay, that was a firm landing, kinda. Nice. Alright, we got an Airbus A350-1041 Etihad Airways arriving in from Abu Dhabi. The longest Etihad flight, I think. That was a butter, I think. That was a good landing. 14 to 15 hour flights from Abu Dhabi. Nice. UAE, United Arab Emirates. But, yeah. Alright, we got a Boeing 777-3B5ER Korean Air arriving in from Seoul Incheon International Airport, South Korea. Ooh, that was butter. That was a butter landing. That was a butter landing. We got a retro livery over there. Nice. Alright, we got a Boeing 787-9 Dreamliner Turkish Airlines arriving in from Istanbul. Boeing 787-9 Dreamliner. Nice. Touchdown already. Okay, that was an okay landing. Beautiful plane.